si a Ghana no omo doso eye mabunu womo ade a ha womo eye adwuma se me ma ye adwuma pen nti se bia madu se Yewura Kennedy okobie adwuma ewo me peso aso a me ni bi na mabunu wo between 8 and 35 osori amepa me se suma no want to me bibia no he gives them hope me de bani to from pa bena mako election 08 mako be 12 mako be 16 mako be 20 mako be 2024 okwa from a nipa dodo no de omu kanu na ho brasima o ye politician so otie ukodwoma esken ye ntan obi a wo mu ntan obi a yesu me kodwo ma fakera ba abade nto so yes boss yati ukwa sorry a ma fakena ma ebe de amamu ma mate so you have to listen to the base. We show you no mojina Yewura Kennedy na most senior because we jina 6 times and a presidential ballot no wa prime minister November 2023. So he's got an upper hand. What mojina nyina and we win 6 elections. Into strategies you win election no. We dey need to omo maka no upper hand. Show omo mojina nyina obi asefata. Ba wo fa paper ne pen. Now born with slim tifido at the best kosi lubo Kennedy sano philanthropy adwuma awo baby a atosumenu Yewura Kennedy edin enye di fofora obeko kejeti akobisa se na mo pe Kennedy say on hwan no he is grassroots champion. Okay, Kennedy akoda BNI because of our party.
Senior member Emma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Obeka say among area 5 aspirants ni nyina ono na wi me say obetimi agitumi e de amam
undoubtedly yes me makoma mu enum ni nyina omo se fata ye nyina ye kwa kan say we ye internal enmity na kasa ye political enmity na ye nuam na we NDC we na ye busia e na konya ato e na ye pe okandifu a wotena so a obetue di okonanim akogitumi aba me asase num nyina no ahobrasimu ame makomam me say ye Yewura Kennedy ohine Agyapong ba obewi nyese wo kan keke say emotional no it is fact by fact
again facts no ebi
me ma we sabe abena me mako elections embrenu si a Ghana no omo doso eye mabunu womo ade a ha womo eye adwuma se me ma ye adwuma pen nti se bia madu se Yewura Kennedy okobie adwuma ewo me peso aso a me ni bi na mabunu wo between 8 and 35 osori amepa me se suma no want to me bibia no he gives them hope and when the message it resonates with the grassroots. Obi Ekokana Samba Kennedy has been consistent. Jobs, creation of jobs, industrializing to create jobs. On DVT, and wait to say, could you say and not part of the team and in the messaging. It's about jobs. Me the benito from pa bena mako election 08 mako be 12 mako be 16 mako be 20 mako be 2024 okwa from a nipa dodo no de omu kanu na ho brasima o ye politician so otie ukodwoma esken ye ntan obi a wo mu ntan obi a yesu me kodwo ma fakera ba abade nto so yes boss yati ukwa sorry a ma fakena ma ebe de amamu ma mate so you have to listen to the base. And then the padodo no I work from no. And na kasa. And when just one more time be. Enum nyina no de obedi no. Em say china mbeko meeting. So munya sa pact no. Say de obedi no nyina mo be den mo be kabo mo be di nachi. Say the 2023 no only one will emerge a winner. Into at my stature and age and experience baby I made do as a mean to me and why na nin kasa yedi wemo and yedi ko be nyana just I'm being disingenuous into meno research kakra me ankasa maye ewo so and na baby no we no kasa but me I was there just 1 week ago ko ye djuma kakra we share almost madam yedi nyina na dey work no na wo era ba na be ka che say ye si it is a wa una kasa etie I've been holding that place for 20 years. Inti amubrasimu awokasa almost so edge official. Until we will get over 60% in my constituency. And it's going to be the same across MPC. Normally delegates and you have to respect their decision.
Even MPs now
respect their decision.
Even MPs, what MPs in the declare support that say
bebre. That's you na campaign na wote wo hia wo mokra wo kokrom na waka bibia cha wo hwe wo mani mu a wo se
so constituency no e could determine obi constituency make us be a won ko e na wo se the wo pesi so mo ka se honorable kenon anything na bebre na nim so wo so
na TV any etie radio any edi yan so nkomo agro no eti se ebusuako enti be meti enzima na my friend nua bi ewo bono na mabisa cha what says there papa na no mo bodi yo edi yan nkomo we have caucus, we have platforms and we talk enti anya de je se wakotena wo dem na wachechire na me more constituency bi adin me si bebre and yenim de work because out of the 276 no yes yenim yon even within the ruling party we talk na be the why would you into entokwa bia ni ente to be friend with colleague ebi odun put down ho parliament and as also so we fie no bisa and na we should be padodo a ekuku dama APP o ma ko form na be ade nyina ye a ye nyina ye ben na ye boana we charge to mama ye we
APP say
oh no you were here you were keke saponum you were boafonum GBA president amewunum Esibe Boanum, Abna or Sayasari. I mean, I'm just mentioning those Kokuka teams, they car. Say, party family, you know, baby. Now, within the shortest time, you know, you analyzing what's idea, say the air corner. We need power. Say, pay 2 media and we're blasting one time will be a Mujin now, Muna down for 4. Now, your chance 2028. Only why you are Mahama. No mining in a door no a man sa 2.1 deficit for NPP no one copy but just simply swaka and a constitution no even if they were to change to bring a third term limit to Ghana affect one from 2028 onwards. So the rules are very clear. And this is going to go through what we went through in 2008. They are going to get a new candidate. They are going to go through their primaries. Primary be acrimony kakrabeba. So almost no na chese nkaye no ochinechi ye candidate no so akoni new kakra. So there is a very good chance but etched in stone election be anywhere better. You may patch and say you to secure 2028 a bad thing because team the new candidate by not to be cross here then we're going to have to fight again. It will be after 8 years a bad thing. So this is our strategic opportune time. How do be a grassroots base panel lotto to election a win or lose. Why na wode ne kwa workers say wo adwuma mu ha epe why na wode kwa adwuma epe why na wode ne kwa asori for epe why na wode ne kwa boys epe girls epe ubisa sisi awuti be phone na bisa say pese de omo academy kwa omeka che ompeken yen free obi a wonim no mesuminim no just do an open. You see it. So that you think so. The voices on the ground.
You think so it's not about so be a or popular. I will be paying Ghana for a minimum but now because obvious say the opponents or the new face and the so be a minimum a ballot sheet and so who say you pass me say into the popularity na akwa and then here.
Na no crowd also 2023 you Kennedy Woko it's about ballot so
and the national.
It is not about the national. It's about your visibility in the country. I ban the ballot sheet. I was also 6 times. I send them pen. Work or MP 6 terms.
I need to say
maybe I'm telling you about Ghana.
I'm about Afeku. This is a constituency.
Yes.
And a ban presidential. And we will be whole Ghana.
So let me help you with that. omu no mu gina nyina obi akwa election da nti obi animu a wo ye fresh Agyapong kwabra Agyapong wakobi da presidential wakobi Adutum wako MP since the fourth term anyway Brian wako MPT they have all been on a ballot box and a ballot paper. It is an argument, it's not here or there. Obi animu a wo ye fresh per se wo mu nyina akoda ballot paper so wo mu nyina akọ EC entity mu wo mu nyina ya to omo so abada wo so wo mu gina nyina ye Kennedy na ye mo senior cause we gina 6 times and a presidential ballot no wako primaries November 2023 so he's got an upper hand wo mu gina nyina and we win 6 elections into strategies you dey win election no we dey need to omo maka no one upper hand eba
presidential dia back
the presidential primary
candidate primaries na America national presidential
no you're more national visible than omo maka nyina omo nyina o Kennedy there akwala dey yefumu kra enim Kennedy onu no Ghana first and I mean, some of the attributes are so when it comes to the to be fair to obi our visibility and omujina so akobalo to soda omujina yura kwabena Agyapong presidential prime minister say 2012 say 2008 no owum nti enye adefoforo and Adutum wako MPs enye adefoforo Brian Abetifi wako on he's got more visibility on Surum 50-50 50-50 omo yeah Kennedy akwa asen for 6 terms into obiani ways no more or your fresh face and a balance if you're going to go by that logic now Kennedy has had more successes in elections than all of them and say presidential ballot is a ballot ballot assemblyman kra wa election nti kind of visibility dey anko munum nyina dey say won go bi adenya check message no I will 2024 now you're 2028
now you're jobs okay so the man 3
yes and mama jobs the second one is very courageous he's very bold and pragmatic and he has a message that resonates with the people he's very bold BNI said Kennedy into me the buy na ade bi nkoyi wa ha obekata so amemu so enu na menu mi sakakra ba me Kai Rollins ye o my Ghana ya Fred Rollins Junior Jesus baby akebeka say blasphemy because of his courage and his boldness onto the etuo sa akukuduro no ana nipa ne hu ni say hey obi odi discipline baba he's patriotic shey omo mo gina nyina obi asefata o ba wo fa paper ne pen na wo bon wo srem tifido e de bese kosi lubo Kennedy sano philanthropy adwuma awo baby a atosumenu yewura Kennedy edin enye di fofora obeko kejeti akobisa say na mo pe Kennedy say on hwan no he is grassroots champion Kennedy akoda BNI because of our party Ninkomau and no middle name he's patriotic he's honest and he's disciplined and no normal bia you run no or there any hallmark because rema said you feel and so teaching hospital where some generator said that or the ebufu so call say monje plant we got 37 here already them block 37 here cardiothoracic center no so you know NPP for you know your memu why na yi ni 6 million na de ko yesi ho nti wa chirisu bi say minya akwenya which me atrim and enuma na o kana nya theory ashama enu ana me washama insurance special eyes we dey bisa of asapon no bottle na insure gubuno you are Kennedy when the factory na wo ye and our to omo wo ho pa na say yatum Ghana for eye adwuma o onyensuo ba plastic no ye he's created jobs and he's got the track record it is so catch mebu no say obe create jobs all jinobi and theory and then your wish list I have the factories when I am given the opportunity to lead I will use that blueprint to do it in Ghana now in there fair abena I said my excited oko rounds sahana maba sahade na wa yekosege ayi toast who said that okra paste ya da ekra tomato juice ukoma tomato juice afi say Holland say China toast pro Ghana o say maji asase we mkuru mu jam ye madom na se mode akonya na mamia na the factories here enye executives ya na be ye enye party for ya na be ye and he has the blueprint for success there to be abana mo konyina obi a esefata Kennedy pe any executives in a social contract or bound say Cathrine sign me so me sign na me ma do na me bet na wa mo ye Ghana for and this for by so mo fe di pagum o mo fi Burkina and o mo fi Mali o mo ye Ghana for ba obekom na party card kura na you not buying na ba you can't fold them okay so ye ba ha you right for the catch say you say my name for party for also so sanyo man so he will make sure that the grassroots na name we mu na nsuo mu aye tutu nsuo mu o mo so ye campaign no omo so benya omo san no adwuma na bibi abafie cause wo kofo ma ebufo no da ho ye campaign mama na mo kwa na mo nkae Kennedy say will correct these wrongs into message na tasum omo ni message no me ni share danti omo maka no but Kennedy message no it brings hope, there is discipline and there is a sense of patriotism.